Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by importing the sticker file directly into Notability. Open the note where you want to save it and tap the Image tool. Once done, choose Files or the Share sheet and locate your PNG or JPEG sticker. Make sure the image has transparency if you want clean edges. After inserting, resize and position the sticker roughly where you want it to sit in the sticker library. That preliminary placement speeds up the saving step and prevents awkward cropping later. Now refine the sticker. Use the image handles to crop and scale precisely so each sticker occupies minimal canvas space. Then tap the image and choose Copy. Create a dedicated sticker note or sticker page as your library and paste each copied image there. Once pasted, arrange stickers into visual groups or rows. This makes selection faster later. Make sure to leave small margins around each sticker so you can select them individually without finish by saving your sticker collection. Either keep the native Notability note as your library or export the sticker page as a PDF backup. To use a sticker, copy it from the library note and paste into any target note. This preserves size and position. If you run into trouble selecting or copying, make sure the note isn't locked, then force close and reopen Notability. If problems persist, check for app updates. Outdated versions sometimes cause image selection glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.